All right, my brother, I'm recording. So tell me where we're at exactly.
This is Cocoa Beach. We're at the pier.
We're at the
You're about ready to see the East Coast for the first time, Larry.
first time in my life.
Yes, sir.
I'm an old man
and
now.
Gina dipped on me. She don't like that camera at all. So
She don't like it, huh?
no, she don't. She's not that photogenic type. She says.
Wow.
So we'll respect that.
So this is the East Coast, huh?
There's a helicopter up there. Come here.
Check that out.
About $40. Take you a helicopter ride.
Seriously?
Yeah. Up here.
Showers.
You got your beaches, your showers, wash sand off of you.
So what pier is it? Is this called Cocoa Beach Pier?
This is Cocoa Beach. Cocoa Beach Pier.
Right there is the Atlantic. That's the Atlantic. Why is it so windy here?
We're getting a breeze. That's why it feels so much colder or cooler here than it did when we were in inland.
Right. So we're still recording.
I don't know what the temperature is here, but normally it's about 10 to 15 degrees cooler on the beach
Is it?
than it is inland. On any given day.
Beautiful.
Oh,
You almost lost your
my hat.
You almost lost your hat. Still recording.
Yeah, in May is when it'll really pick up here after school's out and all that. Get a lot of college spring break stuff. I think maybe
So
still
spring
be going on.
spring break, it really gets busy.
Yeah, it's not as busy as it does up north. It gets pretty busy during spring break. I haven't been here. I don't know much about their spring break, but
So you been here a few times, right?
yes, sir. I lived about 50 minutes west of here.
Wow.
Enjoyed it.
This is crazy. I mean, this is so different than the Pacific Coast. I mean, it's hard to explain. It's like the beach is wider, and you can see it's clear. It's beautiful. I mean,
Anyway,
all right, guys. This is the Westgate Cocoa Beach Pier. So basically, Cocoa Beach Pier, owned by local businessman, entrepreneur Rick Sotler. Sorry if I butchered that. Was originally built in 1962. Literally stretches 800 feet over the Atlantic Ocean. The pier was constructed over 2.5 miles of boardwalk length. That is so incredible. What do you think you're doing?
we got you.
She's waving to everybody, saying hello, she's dancing. George is smiling. We're recording.
Oh, it don't get no better than this right here, brother.
No, it doesn't.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
What is this, like just an outside little bar, right?
Yes, sir. This is on the pier. If you have fishing at the other end, we're going to go out here and see if anybody's catching anything here in a minute.
All right, what'd you get to drink now? You got a strawberry daiquiri?
So,
What did Gina get, Bloody Mary?
Bloody Mary.
How good is your Bloody Mary, Gina?
Looks like she got a salad there.
That's salad. Built-in salad in the drink.
Pickles, got olive, lemon, lamb. You see a little lettuce in that sucker, she'd have her a salad.
Right, they have herself salad.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, everybody, I'm inside the little store they have here on Cocoa Beach. Check this out, Sand Cloud beach towel. They have some cool socks here. Pretty cool, guys. very tropical. Little flamingo bags. My wife just found a cup that I'm going to buy. Thank you. We got Big the Foot right here, Florida. You guys can see that okay. Here's the you, Adam. You never think, guys, that you come to Florida, go to Cocoa Beach, and you got Big the Foot carrying a surfboard saying believe right there. See if I can zoom in a little closer.
This is a sunless tan framing lotion.
Sorry for the shadow, guys, but it seems like it wants to.
It colors your skin, yeah.
There you go. Don't know if you guys can see this very well, but
This is nice.
that's pretty awesome.
Pretty cool.
So if you guys look right here, sorry.
Sorry.
There you go. That's better. The one you saw up there was a little hard to see, but there's Big the Foot carrying his surfboard. How ironic.
Those are going to be sold over there, yeah.
All right, I'm good. Thank you, man.
We'll find George. I think she's in the store. I'm going to pan around here, guys, so you can see the other side of the pier. Out there, those shipping container ships. That's really good. This is incredible. Nothing in my life I've ever seen anything this cool. I mean, Hawaii was great when I went there, but the Atlantic coast, totally different feeling. God, just, you know, I used to go scuba diving. It just makes you just want to jump in and explore under the sea. Got some people doing some surfing, body surfing, or whatever you call it.
That's surfing, man.
That's surfing, huh?
Yeah, catch a wave. Yeah, catch a wave, you can see him stand up on the board.
He got a little wave.
He's got to work his way out there and then go down along.
You know what? This is my wave.
Yeah.
See? My wave. Like the good old Beach Boys, catch a wave.
There he is. Looks like it might be round out.
There you
He
go.
got it. He got it. Oh,
Yay.
wow, didn't get it. You know, when there's a storm off the coast,
Huh?
when there's a storm off the coast and the waves kick up, man, they have a blast out here.
Oh, I bet it's crazy. So you think this has been hit a few times by hurricanes?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
No tropical storm.
right. All right, here it goes.
It's a Lawrence deal.
There you go. You got a little something there.
Nobody's up to put your feet in the water?
Nah. Ricky Tiki Tavern. Now, that's pretty awesome, guys. There was a singer by the name of Donovan. He had a song, Ricky Tiki Tava, the mongoose is gone. All right, so we said farewell to the Atlantic coast and on to our next stop. All right, everybody. We made it to Kennedy Space Center, but unfortunately, they're closed. So, just kind of give you a bird's eye view. You guys can hear me, but yeah, this is Kennedy Space Center. You see the shuttle, space shuttle there. But I just missed it, just closed a few minutes ago. And how cool is that? So Adam DeWoo, that's for you to go up into the future. That's so cool. So you can see right here, gates open at 8:30 a.m. Sky's getting pretty crazy, but if I can put this over a little bit, zoom in, get kind of an idea. Kennedy Space Center, they got all kinds of shops and everything else. We didn't know it completely closed down the whole area. Sorry for a little shaky, but there it is. All right, guys, that's a little better view of the Kennedy Space Center. And incredible. Well, guys, take care. Remember, always be yourself. All right, guys, gonna do it for Be Yourself Adventures. On this, not the last episode. There's gonna be another one tomorrow. We're gonna be headed to Walt Disney World, heading to Epcot. But behind me, I can see it right over there, Space Shuttle. I got the appropriate Star Trek pin. Boldly go where no one has gone before. So hopefully you enjoyed this day. We enjoyed it. And it's just been an amazing ride. Love you guys. Remember, always be yourself. Until the next adventure. Say goodbye to Kennedy Space Center. We are now leaving. Peace.